Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home cooling with the top 5 best smart AC controllers. These gadgets will turn your regular air conditioner into a smart, energy-efficient powerhouse. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, the Friedrich 5800 BTU Cool Wi-Fi Kit. The build quality of this smart AC explains its high price tag. Friedrich Cool products are made to last. This 5800 BTU unit features a steel base plate and steel inner walls. In addition, the aluminum end plates are corrosion resistant. The enclosed motors are industrial grade and should last for many years without any issues. Friedrich Cool has a rating of 5800 BTUs, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, and smaller spaces up to 250 square feet in size. It is easy to control the temperature and adjust fan speed using the dedicated remote control. Or you can connect it to your Wi-Fi network to control the temperature using an app on your tablet smartphone. For voice commands, you can pair this Friedrich Cool Smart AC with Alexa or Google Assistant. We love the ability to create a custom 7-day schedule for temperature control. This is a feature every smart air conditioner should provide as standard. Next up, number 4, the Rolycool Cool 100H19. The Rolycool Ola 100H19 air conditioner is our top pick for a cooling plus heating smart unit, especially for large spaces due to its impressive 14,000 BTUs of power less when heating. The manufacturer recommended max room size is 700 square feet. Like Danby's popular 12,000 BTU 3-in-1 portable AC, this 3-in-1 cools, heats, and dehumidifies so you can use it all year round. When using the dehumidifier, you will need to install a drainage hose. Rolycool does not evaporate water into the exhaust, so you will need to drain any water that collects. If you don't have a drainage hose to connect, you'll need to empty the tank at least once an hour. The Cool 100H-19 is definitely louder than a window AC, but the noise level isn't too bad, considering that this unit pushes 14,000 BTU. You can reduce the fan speed if the noise bothers you using the remote control or the Rolycool app. However, you will need to first connect the app to your home's Wi-Fi network. Rolycool can also be paired with Alexa to issue voice commands from your phone or Amazon Echo smart speaker. Rolycool is currently only compatible with Alexa and not yet with Siri or Google Assistant. Taking the number 3 spot is the LG L19VSM 9500 BTU Smart Window AC with Wi-Fi. The dual inverter compressor used in the LW199VSM works quietly while remaining very powerful. It cools a room quickly without making much, if any, noise. There is no rattling, whirring, or whining. The noise level at the lowest sleep mode fan speed is a whisper-quiet 44 decibels. The LG LW1019IVSM is also ENERGY STAR certified and boasts an impressive efficiency ratio of 13.8, so it uses less energy to cool a room than other air conditioners. The included dehumidifier removes up to 3.1 pints of water from your room air per hour. The AC is also self-evaporative, so you won't need to install drainage. The AC exhausts all indoor water out with the warm exhaust air. The AC is controllable using the dedicated remote control or via Wi-Fi using your smartphone. The LG LW1099VSM pairs with Amazon Alexa or Google Home Assistant. Voice commands adjust fan speed, set the temperature, turn on/off the AC, and adjust the fan speed. Runner-up is the Frigid Air 10,000 BTU Cool Connect. The Frigid Air 10,000 BTU Cool Connect Window AC is the perfect choice if you like the efficiency and low noise level of a window AC. This unit is suitable for medium-sized rooms. It also has wireless connectivity that allows you to control your device via your smart assistant or smartphone. The Frigid Air Cool Connect provides 10,000 BTU of cooling power, enough for most medium-sized rooms. The maximum recommended area is 450 square feet. The Frigid Air Cool Connect is quieter than most other window AC units too, even with the fan on high. It is almost inaudible when the fan speed is low. And our number 1 pick, the Frigid Air 12,000 BTU Cool Connect. This smart AC unit can be used in the living room during the day and moved to the bedroom at night, for example. The 12,000 BTU cooling power is sufficient to cool rooms up to 450 square feet. You can choose from several modes, including fan, dry, and energy saver. The Frigid Air Cool Connect emits cool air from all sides of the unit, unlike other portable ACs which have vents on one or two sides. This 360-degree airflow design cools larger rooms more quickly and distributes cool air more evenly throughout the room, eliminating hot spots. Smart connectivity lets you control several functions on the Frigid Air Cool Connect from your smartphone. In addition, the companion app can be downloaded and linked to the unit. The AC should also be connected to your home network. Many users agree that the setup process for Wi-Fi is quick and virtually bug-free. The Frigid Air Cool Connect is compatible with Google Home and Amazon Alexa voice commands. So which one fits your needs? Drop a comment below. Be sure to check the link description below for the latest price and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart home tech reviews. Stay cool and see you next time.